Good evening. My name is Joel Moskowitz. I'm a researcher at UC Berkeley in the School of Public Health. In 1977, Berkeley became the first community in the nation to adopt a clean indoor air law. That law set a precedent emulated by cities across the nation. As a result, today, most Americans are protected from secondhand smoke in restaurants and workplaces. The Council has several environmental health issues under consideration tonight. I'm here to address the radiation emitted by cell phones, which has been labeled a Group 2B carcinogen by the World Health Organization. This means cell phone radiation is considered possibly carcinogenic to humans. Worldwide, 45 countries provide advice on how to reduce cell phone radiation exposure, and 28 countries recommend limiting cell phone use among children. The most basic recommendation is to avoid using cell phones next to the body. The city administrator should be asked to draft a cell phone right to know ordinance. The ordinance requires retailers to provide a simple fact sheet to consumers that suggests they read their device user manual to learn the cell phone's minimum separation distance from the body. This is a very modest measure, unlike the San Francisco ordinance which preceded this. The FCC requires manufacturers to provide this information to consumers so they may use their device in a manner that is within the legal limits of wireless radiation exposure when tested. Few consumers are aware of this because the exposure information is buried in their user manual or in their smartphone. I believe that residents of Berkeley and elsewhere have the right to know this information. I prepared a handout for the Council that summarizes research on exposure to cell phone radiation. Also, there is more information and resources on my website, saferemr.com. I'd be glad to answer questions later. I've been studying this issue for 6 years.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Moskowitz. Next speaker.